Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Syama Prasad College in Kolkata. The college, founded by Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, came into existence in the city immediately after the end of World War II in 1945. It was then styled as Ashutosh College of Commerce Evening Section. So this college has its genesis in Ashutosh College and has primarily been designed to meet the growing demand for higher education in commerce among the employed youth. This evening section was delinked from Ashutosh College and acquired the status of a full-fledged independent college in 1958 with a separate principal and separate management, that is governing body, under instruction from University Grants Commission and with the approval and affiliation of University of Calcutta. After the immature demise of Dr. Mukherjee, the ex-Vice-Chancellor, Calcutta University resolved to perpetuate the memory of Dr. Mukherjee by renaming the college founded by him as Syama Prasad College in 1962. The college became a premier center of excellence in commerce education in a short span of time. It also has a positive attitude to make social contributions by serving students of weaker sections of society. Syama Prasad aims to encourage self-evaluation, creativity, accountability, and self-discipline. It provides to simulate the academic environment for promotion of quality teaching, learning in the institution. It also aims to maintain crystal-like transparency in all aspects through good governance. The college intended to publish quality-related research studies, to undertake consultancy, training programs, seminars. This college is accredited with grade B by the NAAC. So now let's talk about this college's facilities. The college has a well-equipped library on the third floor of the main campus. The library is under the charge of an experienced librarian. Around 25,000 books are available in the library. Honor students can borrow 2 books at a time. A fine of ₹1 per day is charged from the students who fail to return at the right time. The library is rich in a good number of periodicals, journals, and magazines, both of general and specialized areas. Books and magazines can also be borrowed with the reference card for using in reading room in the leisure period. Students must maintain strict silence in the library. Borrowers are responsible for the books or magazines issued to them and they are strictly against to lend the book to others. Books damaged or lost by the borrower will have to replace at his or her cost. Syama Prasad offers many undergraduate courses in the field of commerce, science and arts. Some of the courses offered under various disciplines are General BCom and BCom Honours in Accounting and Finance, and BCom Honours in Marketing. General BA on Sanskrit, Hindi, Environmental Sciences, and BA Honours on English, History, Bengali, Education, French, Political Science and Philosophy. General BSc on Physics, Electronics, Computer Science and Mathematics, and BSc Honours on Computer Science, Electronics, Geography, Economics and Mathematics. Apart from the regular courses, Syama Prasad College offers distance education courses also. The distance education courses comes under different universities such as University of Burdwan and Netaji Subhas Open University. The distance education courses under the University of Burdwan are MSc on Mathematics and Computer Science and MA on Sanskrit, Bengali, English, History, Political Science and Philosophy. The distance education courses under Netaji Subhas Open University are MSc on Geography and Mathematics, MA on Bengali, English, History, Political Science and Education, Masters in Library Science and Masters in Social Welfare, and MCom on Public Administration. Syama Prasad College has many cell and committees. The committees working under the college are Library Management Committee, Academic Subcommittee, IQAC, that is Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Anti-Ragging, Sexual Harassment Prevention Cell, Building Committee, NSS Unit, Finance Committee, SC, ST, OBC and Minority Development Cell, UGC and University Affairs Committee, Leave Committee, Placement and Career Counseling Cell, Examination Control Cell, R&D and Publication Cell, NSS Committee and Office Administration. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.